giving you an opportunity to get the full story from the people who tell it best. This is MediaCom News Leaders.
Welcome to MediaCom News Leaders. We're very happy to have you here for the first time from Lakes Regional, from Avera Medical Group, Lakes Family Practice. Dr. Stephen Vander Leest is here with us. And Doctor, welcome to Lakes Family Practice, and welcome to the Iowa Great Lakes.
Thank you. Good to be here.
Yeah, give us a little bit of your background. You talked before. You're from Sheldon, Iowa, but where'd you go to school?
I grew up in Waterloo, Iowa,
Okay.
northeast Iowa,
Okay.
and then I went to college in Orange City at Northwestern.
Sure.
And I met my wife, Tara Klein, originally
Right.
from Spirit Lake there, and then I went to medical school in Des Moines,
Okay.
and residency in Sioux City, and my first practice was in Sheldon, Iowa, and been there for the last 3.5 years, and just decided to be closer to family and back home for Tara's roots.
So you're here in northwest Iowa,
Yeah.
and how are things at Lakes Family? You
Good.
getting to know the doctors?
Yeah,
there?
getting to know the doctors and patients and the hospital, and it's
Yeah.
been good.
Well, good. So why did you join Lakes Family?
I had actually shadowed Dr. Carlson years ago and liked the group. And for some reason, I don't really have any specific reason, we didn't look at Spirit Lake when it came out of residency, but with just family being closer and everything, we looked at it about 6 months ago, and
Sure.
the process started, and
Okay.
here we are.
Well, what experience do you have in caring for patients then, Doctor?
Yeah. Well, I have done full scope family practice for the last 3.5 years in Sheldon. We did ER and nursing home and OB, and full clinic work.
Sure.
So I plan to do all that here except the ER, but I do plan to continue OB. And
Okay.
so.
Oh, wonderful. Now, what do you enjoy? Everybody should enjoy what they do, but what do you enjoy about being a doctor the most?
Yeah, I think working with people, both in the fun times with the OB part of it, and then also in the hard times. People are having medical problems or dying. And those are hard, but I don't enjoy it because it's hard. But I enjoy helping families through those times.
Yeah.
And,
Get satisfaction with helping people, whether they're a little ill or facing life-threatening situations. Yeah. Now, what type of patients do you care for then?
I do everything. So
Yeah.
family practice, we do full scope. So the OB, pediatrics, geriatrics, everything. That's why I like family practice, because you get to do a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, what are your hours at Lakes Family?
Be 9 to 5 in the clinic, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday right now, and we'll see if we add on Wednesdays later on.
So how are you finding the Iowa Great Lakes? Like you said, your wife Tara is from the area, so you've probably have spent some time here.
Yeah, we've spent some time. We aren't big lake people. I'm sure we'll get more acclimated to being on the lakes and doing some fun things outside, but we just enjoy the people around here and different places to eat out. And
yeah, sure.
So.
Are there any changes at Lakes Family? Any more doctors coming in at some point?
Kelly Rowan Fans is a doctor in Des Moines, finishing up her residency, and she'll be coming in August, and looking forward to that. I think she'll be a good addition. I've met her a few times, and I think it'll be a good welcome to the community.
Sure.
So.
And what are your thoughts on Lakes Regional Healthcare? It's a hospital in this area that continues to grow and expand their services. Less people are having to travel to Sioux Falls, Sioux City, Rochester for all types of care, increasing the chemo and lots of different areas. How do you find the hospital in comparison to other maybe communities our size?
Sure. I think it is nice because you have the different specialties with orthopedics and urology and different things that are right here. So people have the option of seeing a specialist right here. And I think they're doing the new addition is in process, with fundraising and things. So I think it's, been a very full scope, full service hospital that I think can meet the needs of most patients. Obviously there's exceptions to those, but I think for the majority of people can have their good quality care right here. So.
Yeah, and it's certainly been very proactive and had the ability to grow where some communities don't have that ability. And that only helps our local citizens that they can go in there. Well, we congratulate you on your moving here to the Iowa Great Lakes, and I know you're going to enjoy your time at Lakes Family Practice. If people would have any questions, want to make an appointment, aren't feeling that good, how can they get a hold of you?
The main number for the Lakes Family Practice is 712-336-3750, and that's probably the best way to get a hold of us.
All right. Well, welcome to the Iowa Great Lakes, and thanks for coming in here with us, Doctor.
Thank you very much.
You bet. Dr. Stephen Vander Leest here with us from Lakes Family Practice. We invite you to join us next time to get the full story from reliable sources right here on MediaCom News Leaders.